You know what I like? Rice. You know what else I like? Something spicy and tangy. And the only dish that comes to my mind that satisfies such craving is Puliogare. So चलिए बनाते हैं Puliogare in India's first air cooking companion, appliance. जिसमें यार खाना बनाना इतना ज़्यादा simple है. You just choose what you want to cook, do the steps, and appliance will cook that for you. So let's get our ingredients. So our first step is to soak the rice. Let's weigh 400 grams of water, 2 large spoons of oil, 3 dried red chilli, 1 medium spoon black sesame seeds, 1 medium spoon mustard seeds, 2 large spoons Puliogare powder, 30 grams raw peanuts, 12 curry leaves. And now to temper the spices. Next we'll add 1 medium spoon salt, 5 grams jaggery, so this we have already measured, half large spoon of tamarind paste, and finally our soaked strained rice, 420 grams of water. And now we'll cover this with silver foil. And now we'll let it cook. So silver foil is kind of important in this recipe because it helps in to lack in moisture while also cook throughout evenly. And our Puliogare is done, but we will let it sit for at least 5 minutes to let the rice puff out more. We have let it puff out and oh my god, this smells amazing. Time for taste test. This is amazing, man. You guys should really try it. I absolutely love it. If you want to see more of appliance in action, you know where to subscribe.